Now, what we're going to talk about now is we're going to talk about the chromosomes. These chromosomes are actually condensed from the chromatin material. And what is chromatin? Chromatin are actually thin, thread-like structures. They are thin, thread-like structures that are present in the nucleoplasm. They are present in the nucleoplasm. They are present in the nucleoplasm. Okay? These chromosomes, we can observe the chromosomes. We can observe the chromosomes only. We can observe them only during dividing conditions. We can observe them only during dividing conditions, only during the cell division. That cell division can be mitosis or meiosis, except that we cannot see the chromosomes. The chromosomes are present in the form of chromatin material. Actually, what is chromatin? Chromatin is actually a thin network of threads made up of DNA and associated protein molecules. As one of you told me, that the associated protein molecules are known as histones. So chromatin is just an association of the DNA threads and associated protein molecules, which are known as the histones. And during cell division, the chromatin fibers, when the cell starts to divide, the chromatin fibers, they start to become thicker. They start to condense. And when they start to condense, they start to coil up. Okay? They start to condense and they start to coil up. And then they coil up and then they give us structures which are called the chromosomes. Now, what is the structure of the chromosome? Let me draw the structure of the chromosome for you people. I hope you can see the board very clearly. Now, let me draw the structure of the chromosome. The chromosome is actually made up of two thread-like strands, which are known as the chromatids. And they are joined together in the center by a centromere. They are joined together by the centromere. This is known as the chromatid. These two are called the sister chromatids. These two are called the sister chromatids. This is known as the primary constriction. Primary constriction. Okay? It is known as the primary constriction. This is formed by the centromere. Okay? This constriction, it actually controls the movements of the chromatids during cell division. We will repeat this topic. I am just giving you the introduction. Now, these are sister chromatids. And then what are sister chromatids? Let me draw it down for you. Now, this is another chromosome. These are sister chromatids. Now, these two chromosomes, they are identical. And those chromosomes that are same in shape, now let me go to the text. Okay. Those chromosomes that are same in shape, same in nature, and they have the same locus, those chromosomes are known as homologous chromosomes. We will just take the introduction today, nothing more. Those are known as the homologous chromosomes. Okay? They are known as the homologous chromosomes. And the chromatids that are present on the same chromosome, 1, 2, 1, 2. These are known as the sister chromatids. They are known as the sister chromatids. Okay? They are known as the sister chromatids. And the chromatids that are present on different chromosomes. The chromatids that are present on different chromosomes, they are called the non-sister chromatids. We will continue this lecture in the next period. They are called the non-sister chromatids. You have learned a new thing. You have learned what homologous chromosome is. Homologous chromosome means chromosome having the same nature. You know what the sister chromatid is. Sister chromatids are the chromatids of the same Chromosome, you know what non-sister chromatids are. Non-sister chromatids are chromatids that are present on different chromosomes. Then you know what the primary constriction is. The primary constriction is also called the centromere. The primary constriction is also called the centromere. And with the, what is the function of this primary constriction? The function of the primary constriction, mainly it controls the movement of the chromosomes. It controls the movement of the chromosomes during cell division. During cell division. And ये कौन सा फेज है? एनाफेज है, जब क्रोमोसोम्स एक दूसरे के साथ जो है ना अलग होते हैं. नाउ अपना जो प्राइमरी क्रोमेटिड है या जो आपका प्राइमरी कॉन्स्ट्रिक्शन है, उसके ऊपर खास किस्म के प्रोटीन्स होते हैं which are known as the kinetochore proteins. These kinetochore proteins, they are actually the key to hold the spindle fibers, which are known as the kinetochore spindle fibers. These kinetochore spindle fibers, they attach with them and then they pull them. Okay? And then they make the chromosomes to separate from each other. We are going to keep the class up to this because we have less time left in the class. If there is any question, at all, do let me know, and I'm waiting for your questions, beta.